Alright, ready to make our boba. Got the set, got the jar. Boba kit, some Mike T and Boba down in LA. Got the tea, brown sugar, brown sugar. Boba's currently cooking on the stove. Alright, time to make some boba. Step 1, bring water to boil. Boba in water. Bring to simmer. Then cook for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna let it simmer here for a little bit. Put the cover on half. Let that go for 30 minutes. Now stir it every 10 minutes so it doesn't stick together too much. Okay, strain the boba. Now put the brown sugar in, letting it soak. We drained it. Now it's soaking in the sugar. We're making a tea now. Brown sugar syrup, putting in the freezer, the refrigerator to let it cool down. Alright, now we start putting everything together. Put the ice in the jar, and a little bit of milk, half and half. Just a little bit. So we're gonna pour in the tea. Got the tea poured in, time to put in the boba now. Ooh, so add a little extra ones, you got plenty. Alright, a little bit. Add the sweetener to it now. Really not that sweet by itself, so I gotta add extra sweeteners into it. But maybe you don't want yours to be so sweet, so it's up to you. Alright, now just take a little straw here, put it in, and now we're ready. Done.